How's it going, good friends? Brian from Apex Detail. You guys have seen the Marolex sprayers in one form or another in many of my videos, and by now I'm sure you catch that I absolutely love them. They will take everything, every type of chemical that you throw in there, from highly acidic to highly alkaline, and just keep on going. These things get beat up here in the shop. They get kicked, they get hit, they get thrown, they get dropped, they get rolled over, they get rolled down the bays, and they just keep on going. They are ergonomic, easy to handle, very sturdy, and we're going to start a showcase video on just a couple of these today and where they can be found. Let's get started. Here's a small example of what's available. The AXEL 7000 foamer, the AXEL 3000, the Industry 2000, and the Mini 1000. These are the four I find useful at my shop. The Marolex Mini 1000, green bottle, $7. This is the smallest of all the other sprayers. However, you can use this thing just about anywhere. I like the trigger, the nozzle. It's perfectly balanced. You can almost tip it over. It will come right back to the base again, and you can see how it atomizes the spray as it comes out. There are many ways to utilize the sprayer within the detailing industry. You can use it to clean wheels, interiors, door jambs, under the hood, inside the gas cap, and then you can take it inside the home, and there are endless uses for it there as well. Next up, we have the Marolex Industry Ergo 2000. This one here is $40. This one's also very versatile. You see this one probably in my videos in use the most. This one here can be used in any position, straight up, laid over, or tank up. It's also acid resistant. Guys, these all have top-of-the-line O-rings and seals. No need to worry there. They also have a storage compartment on the top of the pump nozzle for your extra caps and nozzles. It has a locking trigger position, and this one is the one you see me using during rinseless washes almost on a daily basis. Total capacity, 81 ounces, just a little over 81 ounces, or 2.4 liters. Working capacity, just under 68 ounces, 2 liters. Pressure, max pressure, 58 pounds. Net weight, without any type of liquid or product inside, is just under 1.5 pounds. Next up, we have the Marolex AXEL 3000 foamer. This one here is $55. This one here has the ability to change the density of the foam just by interchanging inserts. Total capacity, 118 ounces. Working capacity, a little over 101 ounces. Pressure, 58 pounds. And weighs just a little under 1.5 pounds. This little guy here I like to use while cleaning wheels, detailing wheel well arches, also going after traffic film on the sides and the bottom of the cars, and can also be used for undercarriage detailing as well. In addition to being rugged and durable, you'll notice every one I demonstrate for you today sprays nice and even and consistently. And finally, we bring out the Marolex AXEL 7000 foamer. This one's $125 and also has the ability to change the density of the foam just by switching out nozzles. You'll see the long hose here. We have a shoulder strap. This is a much bigger unit, a more professional unit. And this one here is what I'll use to go after 4x4s, lifted trucks, undercarriages, as well as wheels, wheel arches, and going after traffic film. Total capacity on this big guy right here is 264 ounces, working capacity 237 ounces, and the pressure 58 pounds. Net weight without product 3.5 pounds. As you can see here, the foam that comes out of this guy is tenacious and will stick around for as long as you need it. Not pictured in this video, we have the Marolex AXEL 2000 foamer, the Marolex Industry Ergo 3000, and then also the Marolex Mini Acid 1000. And that will bring us to the final thoughts segment of the video. Although I did get a permit to do contact washes, I am still mostly rinseless or waterless here at the shop. These play a key role in that factor. I've gone through many sprayers until I found these, and I will not be switching anytime soon. I have fed a lot of different types of chemicals through here, as you've probably seen in my videos, from highly alkaline to highly acidic, and they will take them. They are working perfectly fine, and if you have any questions on these guys, don't hesitate. Any one of them, I recommend them. I'll put a link down below where you can get them. Catch you guys in the next video.